Hey Dewdrops, welcome to our day 5 of water marbling, this beautiful painting inspired by flowers. So, not gonna lie, today is my favorite day of the week. I like the papers that we have done, but I wanted to really try for something bold and vibrant today, because you know how I like bold and vibrant. So we are gonna layer these paints on, and then we are gonna go for another feather pattern. Why feather pattern? Because it just was so pretty I had to stop. I had other plans, but you know how we alter those, our happy little dewdrops. All right, so enjoy. Okay, dewdrops, let's pull this paper out of the water and see what we've got. Oh, look at how vibrant it is. I love it. What do you think? Okay, dewdrops, thank you so much for watching with me this week. Come back, we're gonna do more next week. Bye.